What's up guys, this is Fajinio. So yesterday I got chance to test some features of this GoPro. Today I'm at this Cronulla beach and with my friend Jovin over here and Niranjan and Max and my wife. So I'm going to test this GoPro Hero 8 Black.
What's up guys? We have loads of fun today.
Yeah. So currently the temperature is around 36 degrees Celsius and it's around 4:30. So we still need to put some sunscreen. Are you guys ready to put some sunscreen?
Yeah, I bought this banana boat Ultra 50 SPS.
What did you bring?
SPF 50.
And I applied some of this sensitive product smoothness, I don't know, SPF 50 at my home as well, but I think I need to put some of this now as well. Now we are finally ready to go to Cronulla beach and do some experimenting with this GoPro Hero 8 Black. And
Awesome. We have Doritos as well. Not
Yeah.
to forget.
yeah, we're gonna rock it. So today I didn't bring the GoPro stick for water and I need to catch this camera with my hand, otherwise it's gonna fall off. I think it was really easy to use this GoPro, all the features, all the slow-mo, hyperlapse and all the regular settings. It was really easy to use. If you know about frame rate, then it's more easier to use. The thing that needed to improve was still the audio. So you can't rely on the audio of this GoPro itself. So you still need external mic when you are in a windy situation. So the wind is blowing pretty strongly. So you might need an additional microphone such as Rode Video Micro to enhance the audio. But bear in mind that you need an adapter for this GoPro to connect your microphone, and also you will need a case for this GoPro so that you can put this GoPro and that adapter, audio adapter, and also the microphone. Video, I think it's fantastic, and I think the wide angle is good enough. The super view, it looks like more GoPro-ish, so I don't prefer that for the video. Morning. I still think it's one of the best vlogging camera, minimalist vlogging camera. You might have to add on some microphone for better audio. I had some issues with editing slow motion, so you need to be prepared if you want to shoot slow motion, because I edit in Adobe Premiere Pro and it was giving me some hard time. Stabilization is pretty good, and while vlogging we would walk like this, and there is no much of this shakiness. So if we were to run using this camera, it would be like this. So now let's turn on the hyper smooth boost. Let's see. So I'll be doing 4K videos test using this GoPro Hero 8 in my upcoming videos. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more amazing content.